In this video, we're taking a closer look at the suspension setup of the Honda S660. Starting with the front suspension, it is a strut-type setup. The shock absorber is mounted directly into the top arm of the knuckle. At the top, the strut connects into the chassis. You can also see a drop link here, which connects the upper part of the knuckle to the stabilizer bar. And this is the steering shaft. At the bottom, you can see the lower control arm. There is also a brake sensor mounted near the assembly. And the strut itself is fixed in place using 3 bolts at the top. Now moving to the rear suspension, which is also fixed with 3 bolts at the top. The strut is directly mounted to the knuckle. Here you can see the drive shaft. Higher on the strut there is the drop link connecting the suspension to the stabilizer bar. Here you can see a cross link. In addition, there are 2 lower links that form part of the multi-link structure.